AI is making content creation faster, easier, and more creative than ever before. Here are 5 ways to create content using AI. 1. Generate content ideas. AI tools can help you brainstorm trending topics, video ideas, blog titles, captions, and scripts when you run out of inspiration. 2. Write scripts and articles. AI can assist in creating YouTube scripts, blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, and emails in just minutes. 3. Create images and thumbnails. AI image generators can design eye-catching thumbnails, posters, logos, and social media graphics that attract attention. 4. Edit videos and audio. AI-powered editing tools can automatically add subtitles, remove background noise, cut clips, and improve video quality quickly. 5. Create voiceovers and music. AI can generate realistic voiceovers, background music, and sound effects for videos, podcasts, and presentations. Using AI wisely can save time, improve productivity, and help creators produce high-quality content consistently. The best results come from combining AI tools with your own creativity and originality. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe, comment, like and share for more information, educative and engaging content.